I kind of nailed it. Hey guys, welcome to Real Simple Cooking School. I'm your teacher, Dawn, and today we're going to talk about getting the most out of your grill and how to grill with confidence. I'm going to tell you all about my favorite grill. This is a Weber Kettle grill. When they say Kettle, it's because it looks like a big black kettle like this. It's my choice for charcoal grilling. I like the flavor charcoal imparts, so it's my choice. If you've got a gas grill, no problem, do your thing. So your grill comes with two grates. There's this one on top, that's where the food will go eventually. And then there's this one inside, it's just like a lower level. I like to use hardwood lump charcoal. Why? Because it's wood, that's all it is. This is a chimney starter. It's the easiest way to get your coals started. Something about charcoal, I would say avoid match light. It's been sprayed with lighter fluid. You can smell it in the summertime often as people are barbecuing, but it makes your food taste like that too, so it's not my choice. So this is your chimney. You want to turn it over and just put like a little bit of paper, newspaper, old paper bag in the bottom. Nothing fancy about it. So we're gonna light this, and that's what's gonna create the fire to get the charcoal going. So let's talk quickly about equipment. Most grills come with this stuff, but you want a long pair of tongs. Tongs are just an extension of your hand and your arm. Plus this is gonna get hot, so the longer the tongs, the better in this case, because you'll have a little bit of breathing room. A brush. This is for cleaning your grill grates between uses. Again, this usually comes with the grill, so you don't have to order it separate. And then I like a big spatula. Makes burgers so much easier. I've got my paper in the bottom of my chimney. Now it's time to load it up with the charcoal. This could get messy. We'll see how I do. Okay, so charcoal's in. This one's about like 3/4 of the way full. We'll start there. And then all I do, if you have one of those long lighters, that's a great use for these. But I just want to light the paper. And once that gets going, the whole thing will start to smoke. And all I'm looking for here is like a little bit of ash on the top layer of charcoal. We don't want it totally ashy because then it's all burned up, but you'll just start to see a layer of gray. So this will take about 15 minutes. I'm gonna go prep our food and we'll come back and it'll be ready to grill. Okay guys, we're back. It's been about like 15-20 minutes and the coals actually look beautiful. They're like glowing below and the pieces of charcoal at the top, see how they're like just covered with ash here? So, one other thing that you want to get with your grill kit is a pair of heat-safe gloves. Same thing, everything's going to be sold like in the same area. Safety first, and then you just grab the chimney at the side, and then you just want to dump it on the one side. I'm setting up the grill for direct and indirect heat. So I'm sort of banking my coals along one side of the grill. So this is where I'm gonna sear stuff, your burgers, your dogs, whatever. But if I wanna slow things down and let things cook a little longer, again, your chicken, anything that takes like more than 10 minutes, say, we've got this area of the grill that's gonna be a little bit cooler, act like more of an oven. Now, all we have to do is put the lid back on, let it get really hot, and then we're ready to grill. Now, one hot tip before we get going, don't forget to check your vent at the bottom. That's this metal looking thing at the bottom. That's where the ash goes as the coals continue to burn. They fall through these holes at the bottom of the grill. And there's a vent on here, you just want to make sure that's open because fire needs oxygen to burn. So we want to make sure the air can actually get through to the fire. So this is in a good spot, lid's on, grate's getting hot, and we'll be ready to grill.